you ever gone deaf? No. Well, get ready to become hearing impaired anyway, because today we're testing out more AI-generated sound effects, baby. Help me write.
What?
Is this a Google thing?
Goblin?
Goblin video.
I'm looking for a video of a goblin at a video conference. Any suggestions?
What the fuck?
You're like at Target. Do you guys have any videos of goblins for sale?
Do you guys have goblin videos?
I'm looking for a video of a goblin in video. Thanks me with any of its soul. Sans fall ever.
Sans?
What the fuck?
Did you hear him say Sans forever?
And then he busts into a Bollywood song and everybody starts dancing.
Sans fall ever.
What the fuck?
Can we go back to like 100 goblins?
600 trolls show up. Just that's it.
To family dinner.
They said 100 and trolls wasn't going to having a family dinner party. Show up to family. Jim!
Oh my god! Jim, we haven't seen you in so long, buddy.
Hey trolls, remember Jim? Jim! They're all going nuts.
What is happening?
Recorded from the inside of a toilet bowl.
Fortnite!
It's just fucking noise.
That's like what my tummy hears when I'm ingesting my cereal.
When I ingest 600 trolls.
Goblin Battlefield.
We be goblins. F you.
Mark.
F you, Mark.
We be goblins. F you, Mark.
And then he blows up.
They blow up his house. This is like the start of a Mr. Beast video. He's like, we be goblins. F you, Mark. And then they hit the T-shaped blow up stick.
Yeah.
Can we just type in gamer rage?
Gamer rage. Oh, Fortnite.
Oh my god!
I really like the prompts where the guy narrates what's about to happen, and then it happens.
This is the gamer rage. Go Fortnite!
This is the gamer rage. Oh, Fortnite.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my! Fortnite!
Okay.
We're definitely tapping into the music bot. Get this, ready? Christmas with the Cranks.
Oh no!
What the fuck was that?
G.
It's like a YouTube Christmas party. That guy's like, Saikuno!
Yeah, and then the DJ comes out.
The jeans! Ghouls screaming in agony. Generate.
What the fuck did you say? You! I can't!
What's happening?
You! What the fuck was that?
They're all wearing dynamite packs. They blow themselves up.
Honda Civic?
Thank God. I was gonna be worried if the steamboat didn't show up in this episode. It's always so loud. It's always peaking.
What the f did you say?
He's in
getting
Tekken.
beat up.
He's in Tekken.
He's getting the shit kicked out of him.
He's doing a combo.
What the f did you say? What the f did you?
Just get mollywopped.
Finish him.
I can't hear you. What the f did you say?
Why is that so loud? What the fuck, man?
You load into a new conversation in Omegle, and there's like some little guy like, I can't hear you. What the fuck did you say? And then 100 goblins burst through your fucking door.
Can we get like a cat meowing? Or just a simple one?
I want something simple. Give me a cat meowing in B minor. Aw. Thank God for you, low poly cat.
Oh man.
We needed that.
I just need a little break. That's all.
Yeah.
Just waiting for one of them to just start ear me.
Car crash. He just goes quiet. Mewing sound effect. Gulagoon.
I'm just gonna sit back and just relax in my chair.
Yeah.
No.
How relaxing. Let me sit back in my chair.
Let me sit back in my chair. Demons are out. They're escaping. Somebody open the portal of f***ing hell and now they're all coming out.
I'm so relaxed.
Gooligoon. I don't like this one.
I don't like this one at all.
It's like a goose. Can we get like 20 geese?
Yeah.
Honking. Honking.
The sounds of honking.
The sounds of honking. Alright, but can you do
2,000 geese.
geese mewing? What do you think about that?
You knew what get you saw you to wink and you. A goose me mewing in there. I were the
A goose be mewing in there. It's a news report again.
Or the geese militaries.
The geese military? And we just type in cryptids.
Get the Dober chew.
What even is this thing?
No fucking clue, but we're putting it in. This is a fucking pack.
It's just traffic. This is just traffic, dude.
It's like a black and white film traffic.
War crime on camera.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, man?
War crime? The clowns are in town. The circus.
The clown orchestra is here.
Can we do clown orchestra falling down the stairs? The clown band.
The clown family band. There's a fucking elephant seal.
The seal that has the ball on his nose is there. Ladies and gentlemen, the clown band. They break out into a fucking fist fight.
It's not like a fun clown band. They're all like in their 40s and they're all drunk and they're messy and they
They're
smell.
beating the shit out of each other. Yeah.
Fighting.
What the fuck?
Was that an angry
Fucking yes. Clown shoes running sound effect. Don't even say anything else. Don't even say it. Car crash.
Megatron?
He's a fucking transformer.
He's a transformer?
Transformer fart.
What the f is happening in this?
Geese are back.
They just fucking shot and killed a man on stage.
And then they lost their shit laughing.
Okay. I love the goblins chanting shit. I love how they could do that.
Moby! Tim and Moby! Nigga, fucking shit!
Oh, that guy. Oh. Oh my god.
Fucking shit! Fucking shit! Fucking shit! And fucking shit! Fucking Tim and Moby!
They blow up.
They explode. A man falling.
A man falls into the river in Lego City.
Hi Ego, and Will Carter Devil Art Advertisement. Yes, Jew athlete allowed. From Douglatisman is for Lego City.
Douglatisman? What did he say?
Douglatisman?
From Douglatisman is for Lego City.
Douglatism.
I have Douglatism. What the f, man?
Is for Lego City. Baticus.
Baddicam.
Baddicam. Hi! Oh my god! What happened to him?
He dropped his phone, man.
Holy f, dude, he got thrown into the fucking Gmod ragdoll machine.
Hey!
He falls down the fucking stairs and all of his limbs come off.
Hi! Jesus. There's like people watching in horror. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at that guy.
He has no limbs left. I'm like too weak to stand. I've been laughing so hard. I literally tried to stand up and I like almost fell over.
I'm so done. I can't even like function. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video was the second half of a recording session that we did a little while ago, but we thought it was so funny that it deserved to be in its own video. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and check out part 1. Anyway, hit the fucking buttons and have a good day. Goodbye.
Welcome back to Comment of the Week. This week's comment is...
What the hell is going on, bro?
What the Sigma?